How to make melon juice. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you're all in good health. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dinda Salsabila. As you know, melon juice contains a lot of vitamin K. Objective: I will teach how to make melon juice. Okay, first we'll prepare the ingredients including ingredients: 1 sachet of milk, mixed water, 3 slices of melon, ice cubes is needed, 3 spoons of sugar, equipment, blender, glass, sponge, knife. Step: cut the melon, set aside, and put in blender. Juice is ready to drink. The juice is ready. Hopeful is possible for all of you. Good luck. Assalamualaikum.